Here I have Dongfeng Box, and let me show you how to change time zone on the following car. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Here you should open the car icon to get access to the settings. From the left tab, let's select sound and display, and here you can switch between those three tabs. In my case, let me select display, the last tab. As you can see here, you've got access to few interesting settings, but this time we are interested in time zones. So let's use the last one, time zone. And as you can see here, you can set up manually your time zone. Let me, for example, use +2. Tab yes to confirm it, and right now you are using different time zone. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up.